Hi, I'm going to show you how to assemble the EVO Integra. This is the mid-size of the range, but unlike the rest of the range, the Integra has a shiny waterproof surface. Can you see that? There you go. That basically is waterproof, so there's no bag needed for this. Also, unlike the rest of the range, it's got an integrated lid and base. Now what we do is we pre-bend everything first, shiny side up. Now you could use a ruler for this, or you could just use your hands like this. That's what I tend to do. If you're using a ruler, just simply place it along the crease. With this though, especially if you're using a metal ruler, be careful not to pierce or puncture the surface, this waterproof surface. Okay, like that. So pre-bend all these bits and pieces here, like that. So both these long edges as well. Okay. Now you will also notice that with the Integra you've got a long tab that's been attached here. Just pull that off, fold it over, pull it off. The reason that is on is just to protect these two tabs here when shipping, because we don't want that to get destroyed in the post. Okay, so what we do next, is to to bend these two end bits here. Now they've got two creases very close together. Now these two creases need to be properly bent. If you use a ruler, just by bending it over completely like this, you end up creasing both of them at the same time. You need to make sure that the end each crease is 90 degrees, a nice 90 degrees along the full length. Or if you've got fingernails like me, just press into the folds like that, into the creases, and there we go. So that's everything creased. Now what we will do is we will make the lid first. So again, we need to do the 4 diagonals here and here. Okay, to do a diagonal, if you've got fingernails, just press into this side here and bring it up and over, bring the two sides together. Again with the fingernail, just press into this corner here and it would fold up and over like that. Okay, you can use a ruler to do this as well, the end of a ruler. Just a bit fiddly for this direction. Just press in there like that. Again, press into the smaller side, because that's where it's going to be fixed. Again, with a ruler, just press into the corner there. We need to crease it along fold it along the crease almost exactly as you possibly can. So what we're going to do is assemble the lid. So bring the two long sides up, and then the corner bit would go in, and then all we need to do, you might need someone else to help you out with this. Push in one corner like that, and push in the other corner like that, and you should find that it all clicks together. You should hear a nice click. Sometimes you might need to press in the corner bit like that, and the same for this side here. I'll do it this side. So just bring this up like this, and you can do one corner at a time. Just hold that in and then press into that corner there. Hold these folded over flaps, these corner bits in, corner diagonals, and just push in like that. Now At this stage you need to put whatever is going inside the box in, and then we assemble the we make the lid. So all you do, push this bit, let me just show you this, push this bit into these tabs. It's a bit difficult doing it from here, into the box here like this, and this bit into the tabs into the slots here like that, and the end tabs as well into the slots like that. Quite difficult doing it upside down, and this end bit again into this slot, these tabs into the slot there, and that is your MIDI Integra. Thank you for watching.